Does visualizing your ideas help you with strategic planning? The answer is yes. By visually representing your ideas, such as using diagrams, charts, or mind mapping, you can better analyze information and identify relationships between different situations. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool which used to evaluate strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It allows you to make pros and cons of different situations and make informed decisions. SWOT analysis can be used in a variety of settings such as education, business, or personal achievements. There are several strategies that you can use to conduct a SWOT analysis. Identify your goal or objective. Start by identifying your goal or objective you want to achieve. This could be anything from starting a new business or to attend a college. Once you have a clear objective in mind, you can use SWOT analysis for that particular goal. Gather information. Gather information about options or decisions you are evaluating. This could include research, data, and also feedbacks from others. The more information you have, the more accurate and comprehensive your SWOT analysis will be. Evaluate the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats of the option you are evaluating. Strengths are the positive aspect of the option, whereas weaknesses are the negative aspects. Opportunities are the external factors that can leverage your advantage, whereas threats are the external factors that can pose a risk to your existing solution. Prioritize and take action. Once you have completed your SWOT analysis, it's time to prioritize the option based on the importance and take necessary actions. This could mean leveraging your strengths and opportunities to leverage your goals, minimizing your weakness, and mitigating threats. Now let me explain you this with the help of an example. Let's suppose a student is deciding what college to attend. Using SWOT analysis, first he will identify the strength of the college, such as quality education and available resources. Then he will identify the weakness of the college, that could be tuition fees or lack of scholarship opportunities. Then he will evaluate the opportunities such as internship or networking opportunities. And finally, he will evaluate the threat, which could be a challenging job market. And after doing the SWOT analysis, he will attend the college which will have the perfect balance of all the factors combined. So there you have it. By using SWOT analysis, you can achieve your goals and make better decisions. But wait, does critical thinking help you with better planning? We will find out in the next video. Till then, write down your thoughts on the comment section below and make sure to subscribe our channel. My name is Priyanshu and I will see you in the next video.